Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to play your Steam Deck offline. So you can press this button down here, and this is going to open up like the quick settings menu on the right. And we can go on down to quick settings, and then we can go to Wi-Fi, and we can simply just turn off the Wi-Fi right here. And this is kind of cool if you haven't been here. You got the brightness settings right here. So we can bring this all the way down, whatnot. So maybe keep it around 70%. But we can just turn off Wi-Fi or turn on the airplane mode. Only problem with airplane mode is that's going to disable Bluetooth as well, so I usually don't like doing it that way. Otherwise, you can press Steam, the Steam button, going down to settings, press A on this, then go down to internet. There's literally an offline mode on here, so we can just go to enter offline mode. Enter offline mode. This is useful when you want to play games, but can't maintain a connection to the Steam network. You'll also be signed out of your friends list. So just hit confirm right there, and that will sign you out. And you won't be connected to the internet any longer. So easy peasy. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.